mo yan. Huwag na yung buong taon na hindi natin alam na kayo. Hindi tayo marunong kumanta guys ha. Hindi po maganda yung kanta ko. Hello. This moment, like us began from this moment. You are the one right beside me.